Good morning, students. In first video, we have learned means of transport and land transport. So today we will continue our chapter 14, means of transport. In this chapter, today we have we will learn water transport and air transport. So first we will learn water transport. Vehicles that are used to travel on water are called water transport, like boats, ships, steamers, rafts, freighters, and submarines. This is the picture of boat, ships. You have see here many ships is there, many ships. Steamers, this one steamers, rafts, and freighters and submarine are some means of water transport. These all are water transport. Which one? Boat, ships, steamers, rafts, freighters, and submarine. These all are water transport. Boats and ferries are used for traveling short distance. Ships cover very long distance. They are used for traveling to other countries of the world. Freighters are very large ships that carry heavy goods from one port to another. A port is an area where large ships stop to load and unload goods. What is port? Yes, a, a port is an area where large ships stop to load and unload goods. Now, air transport. Vehicles that we use to travel by air are called air transport. Vehicles that we use to travel by air are called air transport, like aeroplane and helicopter are the two means of air transport. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. Aeroplanes can carry hundreds of passengers, hundred, hundreds of passengers, and goods to faraway destination in a short period of time. Helicopters are used for short distance. They carry lesser people than aeroplanes. They are often used for carrying medicines, food, and other necessary items to people in times of urgent need. So, students, today our chapter has completed. So, we will give book exercise and questions. Thank you, students.